So viewers and subscribers, Alkaline just drop a tune name, now tell you. You saw me as a people, and it's a bad man tune. You saw me I deal with, and not to mention, him silence no for critics in other one of people. You saw me I deal with, and of course send a rascal message to the foes, to the rivals, and to the enemy. Let's get into it, viewers and subscribers. I dance our critics. Subscribers, Alkaline clearly indicate to the viewers and the subscribers, or just the audience in general, our listeners, say, see, me I hope say retribution will reach me you, because remember, you know, what leading up to that line there, you know, are the facts them tell you say, oh, I'm dog, them a murderer. So I try to tell you say, dog, you see as a result of the facts say me a bad man, you see as a result of the facts say me a murderer, you see as a result of the facts say, yo, me will do things, me don't want it to come around, come haunt my son later on, or my daughter. You see what I say? Because me a bad people. You saw me as a people, and not to mention, you know, enough look at this and that and sus around corner go on for my name and them things. But guess what, dog? Yes, as long as I don't touch a strand of ear for my hand, no good. Come on in a bag of lipping today, you know, dog. You saw me I say, and all my talk, he might refer to all of the people them who I'm a rival with. You saw me I say, including Popcorn, just to call Chote a name. You saw me as a people, including Beanie, but Alkaline now hard, dog. You see what I say? But viewers and subscribers, the man make you know say, yo, me a bad man and I saw me do my thing. You saw Alkaline just slide out the one and nobody Dave Nala, I expect it. You see what I say? No look anticipation, no nothing for the people them. You see what I say? Him just goes up, boom, drop it. Me see it come up and me think I'm subscribe. You see what I say, viewers and subscribers? But would I like to hear full no opinion? Tell me what you think. You see what I say? Yeah. Alkaline even make it known say, dog, I slap out your head. You saw me say, and then after I slap out your head, I slap out your dog head too. You saw me say, people? So all viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think. You saw me say, Alkaline, nah tell you, dance our critics. Tell you this, you know. You see in that song, people, that song, you see if you know about music and you know about intelligence, listen to the words, listen to the rhyme scheme, the lyrics, how it is put together, how the song is structured. You saw me I say, listen to the content and the context in which you might try to deliver the thing. You saw me I say, people, think about that. You saw me I say, one time no people I say, oh, Alkaline fall off and Alkaline no fall off. Alkaline is strategic, people. You saw me I say? So at that you don't have to really sit down and think about when you not make criticism about Alkaline. You saw me I say, people, because I'm not lie, that delivery is bad. You saw me I say, you don't have to really look into the lyrics, viewers and subscribers, for really see what me I talk about. You saw me I say, I'm not do that one just for the sake of the Vendetta fans them alone, but for everybody, because the music sound good and the music nice. You saw me I say, people? Be a pretty girl in a jungle. Alkaline even make him enemy them know, say, dog, me nah say you can't do nothing, you know. Me nah say you can't do your thing in a bad man. But guess what? Me a bad man too. You see what I say? And if you try run up on me, dog, your head a go shape like jello. You see what I say, people? Alkaline say it. What time you want to think? Want to take it serious? Or those lyrics? What want to think, viewers and subscribers? Remember, you know, I'm telling you, all of my dog them on my part a killer. So what want to think about them line away my dash in? You see what I say, people? Give me your view. Give me your opinion. Drop it in the comment section below. You see what I say? I'm going out tonight. People, I want to know if you tell me if the party when Alkaline mentioned say dark and rigid, never soft. See? Oh you go. Something I love that part. The part where you say dark and rigid. You saw me and say I know make you know say me no soft. And him even go further for assert the idea say dog. You see if you try war me and my dog them a suicide mission. So think again. You see what I say? Because you must feel like say you're plating around yourself. You never know say that vendetta boss this. Dog, just forward man. Come in, try something. Because just feel, if you feel say me not have it, you make a sad mistake, dog. Because I always have it with me. You see what I say? Yeah. And it rough, you know, him even saying up people, it rough to even try to lead a normal or okay or even supposedly good life. Because of the fact that so much people offer you. You see what I say? So him have to perpetuate the way how him operate. You see what I say? As far as non-knowings. You see what I say? When I say non-knowings, nobody can study Alkaline. People can only speculate. You see what I say? Viewers and subscribers, But just come below and tell me what for no reason behind or something. You see me? Alkaline. You see me? Nah, I tell you. What you mean? I'm not telling you. And Alkaline even saying a one part-time song, somebody have to drop, but him now waste him gas. And he said just before him even mention that part there, he make you know say, oh, he might tuck him gun under him arm or under, you know what I say? Just imagine, you should be a gun under your arm there, so. You see me? And you just walk up on a boy and pop it up. Boom! You see me? And that imagery you get, you know. So basically, I say, dog, I'm not going to waste my gas to drive by, you know, and load up his scene, you know. I'm going to walk, I sneak up on them neatly. You see me? And slap up, boy. And slap up. You see me? Yo, people, don't take the thing out of the ordinary. When you know me I talk about, I say slap up. In fact, slap what me I go say. You see me I say? Me I correct myself, people, because I don't want nobody to, you see me, draw out my thing and make it look like say something else me I try convey. You see me? Or portray. You see me I say viewers and subscribers. But people, when you see what me I talk about, and you see all of them look thing how me I talk about people, tie into the whole aspect of the man lyrical capability. You saw me as viewers and subscribers, drop a comment in the comment section, let me know what you think about it. You see the next part where Alkaline to me create a figurative meaning. Seeing when him say step up in a them scheme and a fire be a shot, seeing and a shoot up people, and the little thing loose and get shot. See me I say, listen now, and all our enemies them a fire shot pan. Check these people. You see, if you check the levels from a different standpoint, don't just take it literally, but look on it. Look on Alkaline success level versus him opponent them. You see what I say? And of course, some of the things them as far as success we are climbing we don't know about. You see what I say, people? But listen what I say. You might make them know, say, dog, you see, once me come around and rise up, you know they behind me. Because my thing the far ahead, dog. You see me? And my thing set up different. Me have a very different structure into my organization. You see me I say? And that me I make some boy know. You see me? Think about the thing from a different level, man. You see me? Maybe even when I say, yo, when he step up in a boy scheme might even represent the. You see what me get from when Alkaline say, me know something but me not tell you? See? Think about it like this. Dog, watch you know? Know something, you know, but me not say nothing. I just go run up on a boy there and burn his skin. You see me? I kind of that way that me I pray. You see me? I not talking with the boy. You see me I say? I just do action. You see me? Because I in a bag of long talking. You see me? Because no boy no better than we. You see me I say? And a matter of fact, you see if you feel say you're bad, try it. Just forward, man. Because don't forget in the whole of my dogs, I'm a killer. You see me? Yeah, man. I mean flat out on the tar. You see me I say? I'm not saying no. I'm not saying that you can't do your thing. Kind of this day and age, everybody a bad man you know. So me I say, but I just who better. And Alkaline I make the world know say, yo, him better than everybody else. You see what me I say? Yeah. Alkaline even said, dog, you see where my do team enemies is. You see the day before the enemy get the birthday. So let's say for example, Bounty. You see what me I say? Me not care who. You see what me I say? Enemy or enemy. Beanie. Let's say for example Cartel. Let's say for example who else? Tommy Lee. Let's say for example Popcorn. You see what I say? You see anytime at the man them birthday, the day before them birthday, see the man will come done. The man say I got done them never gonna see the cake. You see what I say? But it doesn't show you how ruthless him is. You see what I say, people? And the song is a more so a statement to the enemies and the foes them. You see what I say? In a sense, kind of like me just come, you know, in a sense, him kind of like, in my head, me I said, the dog just come out and say, boy, yo, watch him show some boy something. Because you see some man call up on my name and feel say me and them a size. And feel say we do the same thing, the same way and then look away there. So make some man know some things. Dog, I be a murderer, I'm a pirate. Be a murderer, I'm a pirate. All of my friend, I'm a killer. And me myself a murderer too. Me slap out a boy head. You see what I say? So no go and push on the luck. I want to see what are the end results. You see what I say, people? Of viewers and subscribers, would I like to hear what you think about that song? You think say him drop that one as a result of the recent look up, you know me I say look up beef. For him say they want to say beef. Him tell my boy they go suck him mama and them thing and call him a bitch. You see what I say? Tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. I dancer critics, you know, me I ask you to subscribe to the channel. You see what I say? And don't forget to ring the bell. You see me? Yeah, man. Viewers and subscribers, another thing we don't have to really also pay attention to is, you see Alkaline smart enough to the point where him speak in parables a lot of the times. You see what I say? And it is it is of course the viewers and the subscribers them, or just the listeners them. Just so me I say it respond we if it decipher certain things. You see what I say? And it just really take an analytical eye and ears and them look at things there for kind of decipher certain things. And of course, a lot of things will be opinionated. You see what I say? And that's normal. You see me? But I have to say that. I have to comment on that, people. You see me? And tell me what I think. You see me?